Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add effects in Filmora, add creative effects to videos, easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, you'll just need to go ahead and open the Filmora app onto your device. Now, since we're already in here, it's time to import the media or clips that you want to use. So simply click onto the plus icon in here, or you could simply drag and drop the videos, photos, or audios that you want to use. Right after, once you have added them in here, it's time to add these here onto the timeline. You could simply drag and drop it here, so we'll use this user guide that we have here, or you could click onto the plus icon to proceed. So since we've added the clip already in here, it's time now to add the effects by Filmora. So if you've noticed here onto the upper part we have effects, click onto that and there should give us an option to browse onto the different effects offered in here. So there are a lot of options to choose from. We have blur and many more. So we're just going to choose anything in here that we could go ahead and test out. So for example, this one, this bokeh blur. What you need to do first is to go ahead and download that so that we could use this onto our video here. So we're going to wait for this one to be finished downloading. And if you see the plus icon, so it should be ready to use already. And as you can see, there is also a preview here. So we're going to go ahead and drag and drop it here onto the bottom part. You could also adjust the start and the end for that one here, and you could also adjust the opacity here onto the right side. Now if you do a quick preview, this is how it looks like. And that is how easy you could add effects in Filmora. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.